Hello, hello, welcome, welcome on my channel APG.Studio. If you're watching first time, my name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and as every Wednesday, we've got a special session for posture correction. And that's right, today is another stretching exercise for you to do at home. Okay, going to start on your floor, hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips, and just rock your body back and forth. Keep your chest high, so avoid dropping your chest. Avoid relaxing your neck too much. Inhale forward and exhale, rocking back. And one more. Now with your right foot to the front, try to hold 90 degrees angle behind your knee. And now left arm. Inhale, twist your left. As you exhale, back to center. Try to work with your shoulder blades, all the muscles between them, pull them in. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now your right knee, so twisting to your right. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the stretch, chest and shoulder, but also your left leg. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Okay. On your knees. Left leg straight to your side. With your right arm up. Inhale. Slowly exhale to your left. Inhale, release. Exhale, stretch. Hold this position. And now try to move your arm back. Inhale. Exhale, you can even bend your elbow. So you're trying to bend your arm and cross to your left side. You're still keeping position as upright as you can. And your head nice and high. Inhale. And exhale. And relax. Okay, now right leg straight, left arm up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Left arm straight, inhale, exhale, try how far again. Move your left arm. Check what's the flexibility in your chest and your left arm. What is the mobility in your left shoulder joint? Inhale and exhale. Last one. And relax. Okay. Let's stand up feet wider than your shoulders width apart. You're lifting your right arm. Inhale, exhale to your left. Relax your left shoulder. Inhale, slowly exhale. Notice if twisting your upper body, you're bending to your left only if you're holding your torso and your hips facing forward. Any movement to your left side is a compensation. You want to stretch all the muscles on your right side. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now left, inhale and exhale again, controlling your position. Inhale, release, exhale, stretch. Right arm up, inhale, exhale again, cross and reach to your left side. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Now your left. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Lift and relax. Okay, again, if your right leg to your side, left hand on the floor, and you're lifting your right arm up or even pull back. Inhale, as you exhale back to center. Show from the other side. Inhale, slowly exhale. And two more. Inhale and exhale. And now try, could be on your side, more on your back, or even cross to your left side, and you can rock. Stretching not only your upper body, your right side chest, shoulder, but also your right leg, glutes, and your lower back. Back to center. Okay, now left leg straight. That right hand directly underneath your shoulder, and now left arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. And maybe two more. Okay, on your back, but you're still working with your muscles between your shoulder blades to pull your shoulders and your elbow back, or on your back, or you're crossing to your right side, holding this twist, and you can add rocking movement back and forth. Inhale and exhale. back to center. On your 4, hands underneath your shoulders, knees with your hips position. And when you exhale, slowly move down and back, trying to bring your elbows to the floor. But first, making this movement back and after that down. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretch. Lower back, glutes, and your hips. If you can't go any lower, keep your arms straight. Still is fine. Always know your limitations and respect your body. And now stretch your left arm and try the same movement. Inhale, slowly exhale. Control your head position. Remember, the best way is just looking forward to be sure muscles in your neck are still active. And one more. Okay, now the right is straight. Inhale and exhale. And 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, stretch. Okay. Let's back to stand-up position. Feet wider than your shoulders width apart, arms up. Inhale. As you exhale, pull your shoulders. Squeeze your shoulder blades to move your arms back. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, so thank you for this session. I hope you enjoy all the stretches. And if you know anyone who should try this, please share the link with your friends, people you know could benefit from that kind of exercise to correct posture. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Looking forward for your comments, how long you've been doing exercise and what's the progress. And thank you for being with me. We changed the location, but YouTube is still on, just from different place. So I see you next week, the same time. Bye for now.